Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 17, 2022, 1-star Sudoku. 5th grade. Two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row. 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 8. 6th grade. On column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. Column J, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. Column J, we have 2 and 4. 2 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5, 6. 7th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. 4th grade, we already have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 3rd row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6, 9. 2nd row and 4th row and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. 8th row, we already have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fourth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. Column J, we already have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Second row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.